PRO edema regional PRO edema Ghana Water Company. Minua Paddy na Ebenezer. Minua bibi aboko de.
Mami Adom senior.
Eda yanko panse. Pacho Adankwame ema wo mudo enkruma. Ewo Adankwame se aye ade afibia no omu face challenge omu face. Ane se Barekese dam no edu ba bia mu bie. Na mu bia ba bia na mu nyina se wo mu mfu. But take us through this process amode yes ade. Na we are aware so say omo amodo nkruma wo ho so face sa challenge ya nsuo no mu bie bia na efa omu mfuo ni nyina no mu ememene wo mu jese omu no baye ne ade omaduadua nyina ha adwen. But we are aware of this, and what is the process amu go through say mbutimi e de bie dam no.
Yo beni apeni ma mention cha mutia eye Akoma chief ni na ne Asantman. We did say question no ami eye sima o hwe ye dama from 1965 back to 1969 Akoma year aye didi juma wo eye Asantman mo ha. Beni apeni there is no day ana bosome ana tibi aye ka say ye be village. Because Akoma a dam no in a way say a automatic swelling. So it's only been pensionsobia and no so there has been no day, no season. Ghana Water say ye be village. Ever Barekese and now ever wabe daddy. Now me Adam ye plant me Washington Mono. In kita gate a ye baby.
Oh, okay.
And again, yes, if you are not your one, in Kita Gate, I had the baby. A dama or my structure in a way that there's only been level here and more a bufaso. And this has been the architect of dam since 1969. I think I heard this complaint, was it yesterday or so? And I'm not this country, I said, we don't open any gate. Yes, the downstream there are school gates in one another. Yes, main fan is school gate because Cebu Faso are schoolway. And also, who is here at Senate Echo. In your opinion, we have no idea what happens downstream because any American. And also, when you see that at Seneco, the Obi farming your baby. Now, if you are how I think and common tracy. Now, almost where the source is coming from. Because to the best of my knowledge, and being the master Ghana Water in the Ashanti region, there is no day, Ghana Water, Osha, Oko, and Kamantema, the water, ye baby, ye the secular, because of issue levels, anyway, you know, maybe I will be 2 gates, maybe. In the Ashanti region, we don't have that system, sir. You be gate, baby. The question it's a one say so gate be no aye be say obi anobaye ti me say obi wo downstream na say nsuo to na because you know the nsuo to say na make aye no so what be the system say obi system ni na 18 feet but they do 19 feet e move fast one e ya dey anytime nsuo better it's only baby side level no. I will say Bufaso. So this can't be a one-time thing. In perfume, my then Abba will be the cat. Ghana was a big gate man. Yes, so Monova here. That's it. The dear sister India say anywhere. You be a gate. Oko Barekese and now or what? Intimate. That information put out there is neither here nor the API. Not a damn be baby which is not operated by Ghana Water. That I can't speak to. But Obaya Katia, you be a gate to be a
now, more Casama Faswa say in free Mohode.
And I make a say, sister now you're running. And maybe I'll try and get you some videos so you appreciate what I'm saying. That more is in a way, say, you find yourself from January, everything December, say, yes, to Bruma. Automatically, no. excess water ne was saying one spell. So it means that from January to December, no, one less village, Obi or downstream should be having this challenge from January to December. And maybe they are now watching any beba. Meaning to what must ya.
Matuase.
Inti ena Sena American in Sono Ewane Kwaya from 1967 the plant was commissioned. And now what Yentisa complain will be Yentibi because a Yensia a clinical baby. And I have done into SS1 F dam no echo not one coin so yen diverting soon for the year.
Yes, and yes, a plan say at this point, you say you be dam no na soon be free. Name my Emma and one coin and name echo.
And I'm not fine.
Yes, I didn't know if say you say it me a resolve side way a beyond Ghana Water Company.
So, because the first point in the they should have the source to start issue no more as a banner. Yaman is assuming without admitting, say you're downstream in Siono and you could be no by. Then my question is that only pano or farming a betu sooner than Siono betuno. And only pana for coin be so ha. And only changing the cost about a now. If that is the case, then I don't believe the Ghana Water is responsible for what happens downstream because issue is no coin. Now your dam issue, now excess water need flow, no being so changing the cost. I am assuming, I'm not seeking to fact. Say, if you are insurance number, why you no phone? If you are tapping, ever water anyway. Nothing is so now excess about more than left and no by it. I don't think it's a doing of Ghana Water. So let's say the farmers anyway, those are open. This concerns the officers or plants, they can walk to the office and then where they feel we need to engage on, we will. But to set the record straight, we need to be able to be IABA. Dam no by automatic spill gator and one 24/7. They are so that we show compo self because it's so levels no ever down. Sana and Akoma the designing plant.
Okay. They should more men ever around. I'm betting me a call no more couldn't come on. Okay. Yeah, I think say that one will come in na yashahawa ibetimi ede abwa. Padi me da se wan kasa kra no na me hian na nsa nsuo ya etwitwai nsuo a etwitwa anopa kra na had to cause me nu na ba say adede na asia nsuo e bien ba omo bien na be Sunday no areas bi so mo bien Sunday no na asan echa. Tell us ede na ekoso
any cost no eyetinwa enye say you be on Sunday so it's only but ne woman ye enyinam kan na say no ye nia ewo ye plant no ba sentiment mo I think for some weeks we see January no half way January ye challenges which is power supply quality. So the power will be there, but then meet the plant standards. And I say the power will not be there. And that the system Ghana Water is running is such that in Shono, effort drawing akisiemu, in say eminam kanya no wo, and no a supi, na ye dumana te take for man. In Shono San Begina Beni, a movie. So from Barricade, airbus from a reservoir, baby, and Shono Begu, and Sana, you're really easy. I'm a Kumano. The good movie, never from an upper bedroom and net 8 10 Omudum light, and I'm Kanya, who are they know, ɛso te ane ɛkɔ so pii nti pɔnt no ntumi nyɛ adwuma nea ɛkyɛ ne sɛ afei nsuo no gyae ɛtubare kɛseɛ ba nti kakra a ɛwɔ reservoir no mu no ɛne ɛba bɛrelease ɛba saa ɛyɛ few places na ɛbɛnya yɛnya yɛwɔ akyi no yɛnya
nti pressure no wɔ fam.
Yes, as a PR for Ghana Water, I am equally affected over Akoma. Many months for the year, when they are affected, I am affected.
And we are also affected.
Exactly. Into what we are having stakeholder engagement. And they've also shown good faith there. This is not from their outfit. It is from upstream. In 24 NGG, all stakeholders, new share able to boost a power quality, now yet to me at the Juma. It's really a helper, and I made a man, a bandit, maybe, and 10 Temusono. That's a bar. Now, your bomb was the Bumino Kazakomendra, Minebi, in Jan the Prosha, I mean, because that's in a Makunia, my baby guy. It's not. Or how can I do what? But notwithstanding, your boy a modern, where you bet me I resolve this issue and then share the good people of Ashanti Water, which ensures and send a DBR.
I see. Hey. ECG. Paddy, me da say.
No, I can't answer.
As I dare know, the woman say ECG a home den of them. Nti na ma pressure was in soon de ba no ntimi ma se de ba epim duru ba bia na aka nti CG for mo asomu a Ibrahim Michel
Sir John
bibia